Hey guys, what's happening? It's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with some announcements. Um, Possibly a new rebuild, a GP34 Eco, GP59 rebuilt to Tier 4 regulations. All that information is there for your enjoyment. Another C6M comes out of Roanoke, 4228 XNS-9W8902, completed and released from Roanoke, and it will be sent off to Juniata for paint. 4 of 17 units planned for this year have been completed at Roanoke. Freshly rebuilt 4271. Some photos here. Credits go to its respective owner. F units are back on the road. All 4 of the repainted and renumbered F units departed Altoona the other day, heading down to Georgia. 270, 271, and 276 and 275. They're all F9s, F9A units and F9B units. I believe they're all ex-B&O, and they were rebuilt by a contractor, and Norfolk Southern was able to get them. And I was really glad they did. The new C6M 4270 completed and released from Juniata. 5 of 33 are planned for. 5 of 33 are completed out of Juniata for this year. Looking pretty. Photos of 1201, which is the SD70 ACEs, are now going to the 1200s. This is, I talked about these, like they're calling them SD70 IACs because of the new computer modification. It's like a sensor on each axle, but they're still calling them SD70 ACEs. So, so that's that. That is all the Dash9.com updates. I want to talk about some updates on my channel real quick. The editions are still going to come out once a month, the same with the question and answer series. That is not going to change, but I do have a new project that is in the works right now. It's actually in the planning stages and getting ready to start building that. I'm going to be doing a how-to video on starting a YouTube channel, how to market it for beginners. It's for beginners and the more advanced guys. For the advanced guys, you can pick up some new tips, and for the beginners, who are maybe just trying to start YouTube or in the early stages, and maybe how to get the word out there. So I am currently working on that with some marketing principles that I can incorporate here. So this is going to be a little bit of time because I got to do some planning and trying to explain how it's all going to work. So that's a new video besides the additions that will be out. The additions are still building, so do not worry about that. That is all coming out soon. If you have not yet asked questions on my April Q&A, a link will be in the description box on this video, so you can go right to that video and drop off your questions on that video only. So, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this announcement video, and I hope you guys are looking forward to my newest releases. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'm Engineer Pat 5290, and I'll see you next time.